book is terrible. It's boring, it's awkward to read, and I don't want to read it right now. I don't even like English in the first place. My teacher is horrible, all the kids are mean to me, and on top of that, I have to read boring memoirs like this. I don't like this book, so I'm going to throw it. Ugh, I'm going to do something that's actually worth my while. I'm going to go play Fortnite. Alright, I don't have to worry about that anymore. Let's go get a victory royale, boys.
Billy, it's time to get up.
What? Who are you?
Billy, I am your guardian spirit. I take the form of Dr. Peter Venkman from Ghostbusters. I understand that you have an English book to read.
What, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings? I don't want to read that book. That book is terrible.
Well, Billy, that book is actually very informational, and I'm going to prove to you how. Go ahead, grab my hand, and I'm going to take you on a great big adventure.
Okay, whatever you say, sir.